Okay. Now, third point is income and other goals. Income and other goals. Dear students, you must keep in mind that development doesn't mean increase in the income only. Rather, as we discussed, it means better living standard, more equality. If you remember, I told you that is reduction in poverty, inequality, illiteracy, sufferings. Means there should be no discrimination, there should be no illiteracy, there should be no suffering. So apart from income, what people are looking for, or what are even sometimes become more important than income, are equal treatment. Equal treatment. Dear students, will you praise or will you praise the teacher if different punishments are given for the same kind of mistake done by the students? Obviously no. You want equality, that if the students need to be penalized by the teacher for any of the mistake they committed. For example, if two students did same mistake in answering a question, and a teacher penalizes one student by deduction of 1 mark, and other student is penalized by a deduction of 1.5 marks, undoubtedly the students may not like this. They want equality. What else you want? You want freedom. Apart from income, people need to have freedom. People need to have security, security of life. You may not appreciate, you may not like doing job in any part of the world where your life is not secure. There is threat to your life. In the present scenario, nobody would like to go to Syria and getting a job of 20 lakhs per annum. You will find it's better to be in India, even though you are getting only 5 lakhs. That would better. In present scenario, due to this COVID-19, would you like to go to the open market, even if you are offered a good job or good or handsome amount? No, definitely, because life is always better than risk. Security is always better than that kind of risk you are going to take. So undoubtedly, you will not go anywhere. You will get locked down in your home, because life is more precious than any other thing. So freedom and security of life is more important. And respect of others is very important. Even a small child needs to be respected. As a student, I hope if you are not respected, you may not like it. So respect of others in any kind of job or in any walk of life is a must. So apart from income, we demand, we need, we expect respect of others. At the same time, what we need is time for the family. Nobody would like to get a job where you don't spare, or you are not able to spare time for your family. So time for your family is also equally important. So undoubtedly here you can conclude that money is not the only thing. Money or material things not only the thing not only sorry are not the only thing we desire in our life. Rather, apart from money, other non material things are equally important. So material as well as non material things, both are equally important. Be it on materialistic thing you can say money, and towards non material things you can say it's equal treatment, freedom, security, respect of others, time for the family, social equality, etc. Just for example, you think of role of your friends in your life. Can it be replaced by money? No. So it means there are so many things which we cannot buy through money, and we always aspire for those things, and you give priority to those things than money. One more example is given in a book. Consider the example: if you get a job in a far off place, before accepting it, you would try to consider many factors apart from income, such as facilities for your family. We have seen the book. Apart from your income, such as facilities and your family, for your family, working atmosphere or opportunity to learn. In another case, a job may give you less pay, but you may offer regular employment that enhances your sense of security. Another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security, and also leave no time for your family. This will reduce your sense of security and freedom. So hence it's clear that developmental goals that people have are not only about better income, but also about other important or other non-materialistic thing in life. Topic 4 is national development. National development. Dear students, as we studied that individual or all the people have different developmental goals, and these developmental goals are not only different but also conflicting in the same way. A or individual's notion or the people's notion about national development can definitely not be the same. People definitely will have different thinking about the national development. If we ask the students in a class that what do you think of national development, undoubtedly, the students will give different answers. Somebody might be saying that, sir, we should do some improvement in our agriculture sector. Somebody might be saying, no, sir, we should put more stress towards manufacturing sector. Somebody might be saying, sir, we should think of more IT centers or more technological parks in the country. So different peoples might be having, or definitely will be having, different as well as conflicting notions of a country's development. So undoubtedly, if you see the diagram or example in your book, here you are asked, you can say one example is given here: vessel dumped 500 tons of liquid toxic waste into open air drums in the city and in the surrounding sea. You can go through the topic, and who are the people who benefited and why did so, what would be the development goal for this country. So undoubtedly you can see there here one building is shown, at the same time some slum areas also shown. People who are living in the building or high-rise buildings, their desires and their aspirations are different than that of the people who are living in the slum areas. People who are living in high-rise buildings might be looking for better electricity supply, better you can say parking facilities, better food supply, better security. But at the same time, people living in the slum areas might be looking for better civic amenities, better good drinking water, and you can say comparatively cheap goods to be supplied in those areas so that they can afford them easily. Okay, clear, friends? So next topic in the next video, we'll think of, or we will discuss about how to compare different countries or states. Till then, bye bye. I hope you are able to understand. If you have any query, you can contact me on my personal mobile number. Thank you.